the sad eyes. Don't be discouraged, oh I realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it all when the darkness inside of you can make you feel so small. And I see your true colors shining through. And I see your true colors. And that's why